Hi everyone, welcome to this short presentation about the 5S methodology and how the Toyota workplace used it. Well, basically, the 5S is a simple methodology but powerful system. And the 5S basically make the workplace better and efficient. Also, the company Toyota is a great example of how with the Japanese methodology, the 5S can help a company to to improve quality, to improve efficiency. I mean, by saving time and reducing waste. So basically, in this presentation, I will explain you what is the 5S and how Toyota Workplace implemented the 5S. What is the 5S? Well, 5S it is a Japanese methodology, as I said, that keep the workplace clean and and it is for the organization, for a better organization of the workplace. So the main objective of the 5S is improve the productivity, the quality, and the safety through order and cleanliness. Cleanliness. So basically, is that we have 5S because there are five words that all of them start with S, and they are Seiri, Seiton, Seiso, Seiketsu, and Shitsuke. In English, these words mean sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Or it could be sustain or discipline. So basically, that's the 5S. And as I say, the objective or the main goal is to help people to work better and faster. Most of the time, you can reduce uh, waste, one of the seven wastes in the industry, by organizing tools, keeping everything clean and clear. So yeah, that's it basically the overview of the 5S. Well, let's take a look at the 5S one by one. We have first the first S, that is Sadie. Uh, Sadie basically is sort. So what is sort? Sort means take away the unnecessary items in the workplace. So if you don't have to use an item, so you must remove it from the workplace. Basically, that's unnecessary to having there. The next I'm sorry, the next S is Satan. The Satan basically is set in order. This means putting everything in the right place. So if you put everything you're going to use in the place that it is meant to be, the the workers that you are going to give these 5S are going to find the things quickly, and yeah, you're gonna help them because everything will be in order and where they need to be. So that's basically Satan. Say so. That's the third S, and in English is shine. Shine means cleaning the workplace and checking that everything is working as should should be. Uh, yeah, I mean, it's an basic inspection of of the machine, of the tools, and a regular cleaning of the workplace that is free of I don't know, free of dust, free of yeah, that trash. That's basically say so. I put an image that you can visualize basically. So that's say so. Now the fourth S is seiketsu. Seiketsu means in English standardize. So once we have everything, you have been removed the necessary items. You you already organized everything in their places, and you already clean the area, the workplace. Once we complete this, now we need to standard, you know, to standardize because it is important use the same rules and systems to make sure that everyone is in the same level. So you make sure that everybody understand and it is the same for everyone in the workplace or in the team that you're working on. And yeah, that's basically take it to create clear and consistent procedures. Now we're going on Chitsuke. That's the final five S. Sorry, the final S. And Chitsuke in English means sustain, or as I say before, discipline. Basically, the discipline is just having the habit to keep in to keep to keep the 5S day by day. I mean, daily with discipline, with teamwork, uh, following the rules without exceptions. Just make clean lines and yeah, and having the habit to follow the rules. That's basically she took. Now we are gonna take a look of the Toyota organization. Uh, Basically, Toyota is a strong company. They also had problems in the past, even though some work areas in Toyota were messy. It's totally common. It's totally understandable, and workers can can lose time looking for tools and looking for if their machine are working well, and some processes maybe could not be efficient because of the wasting time. So Toyota will be applying the 5S to to fulfill their their requirements. So the main objectives for Toyota are the streamlined production lines, reducing errors and defects, and improve the safety and in the workplace. So that's the main objectives. And yeah, that's the loss of time with the problems before. And so on. I mean, the waste of materials and the inefficient workflow can lead to big problems and with the organization of everything in Toyota. So now we are gonna take a look of the implementation of the 5S in this organization. So basically, the implementation, we have the 5S right here, and this is how Toyota apply them. So as we can see, for short, they use red tag campaigns to remove the unnecessary tools. So as I said before, as I was explaining the theory, basically you need to remove the extra tools that you are going that you are not going to use, and that save time looking for something that you are going not to need. For Satan, basically they installed shadow boards for tools. Um, the arranged of the workstation can be followed by the production flow, basically. Shine, that is just clean and review the inspection. I mean, basically, the workers clean their areas every day and check that the equipment doesn't have problems. Just that. For the standardized, uh, basically they created simple visual signs and common rules for all the members with color signs, labeling. Uh, basically, the every member in the company can understand what they are doing, what they are need to be prepared of, and how this is implemented. And for the discipline, the sustain Shitsuke, basically there are going to be regular audits to maintain this. They made regular audits and also training employees to help everyone follow the 5S rule. And basically, that's the how Toyota made their factories cleaner and more organized and more efficient, as I said. This helped them to produce faster and with better quality and maybe fewer errors. So that was it. And thanks for watching.